Exploring the applications of carbon-detected NMR in living and dead organisms. Ooh, using a C13 optimized comprehensive multi-phase. So it's an optimized probe for carbon-13. Look at that data. What is that? That's essentially data showing how atoms are connected in the molecules of a sample. What kind of sample? Oh, I'm out of breath. What kind of sample? Living and dead organisms. That's fantastic. So this must be carbon-13 NMR. Oh yeah, it is. It is. It's H1, so it's proton chemical shift versus carbon-13 chemical shift. Presumably, it's to sort of quantify living versus dead organisms in maybe a soil sample or a plant biopsy or something like that. Not sure. I think I missed you. Evaluating nanoparticle hydrophobicity. Ooh, nanoparticles. I love nanoparticles, especially because the measurement of them is developing, we can say. It's evaluating nanoparticle hydrophobicity using analytical membrane hydrophobic interaction chromatography. What's the difference between, membrane hydrophobic interaction chromatography? Not the same as reversed phase, HPLC. I'm presuming. I really want to look this up. And why would you use membrane hydrophobic interaction rather than AFFF, free flow fractionation, fluid flow whatever it's called. It's really cool. Asymmetric field flow fractionation, AFFF, or any of the triple Fs. So cool. I would love to see this. Lovely little picture there. I like that. I want one. What's this guy? MET-X, a target extraction strategy for improving the coverage and accuracy of metabolite annotation in LC-HRMS data. So I'm assuming that HRMS is like Orbitrap, or probably Orbitrap. It could be FTICR. Crazy. So it's a targeted extraction strategy. An extraction strategy. I like this already. So this is not a data-based thing per se. This is an extraction-based thing. What are they doing? So, okay, so there is some data stuff going on. Retention time calibration, targeted extraction, automatic peak recognition, MSMS similarity. Oh yeah, I've seen that before. And of course, principal component analysis of the annotated metabolites. Yeah, I mean, this makes sense. So I'd like to see the evaluation of this to see how well it performed, how fit for purpose it is. The power of MZRAP based performance assessments and MS1 based non-targeted feature. Non-targeted feature detection, and they're kind of evaluating this MZRAP assessment. So I think non-targeted mass spec is a huge potential area that has a really, I find it most exciting in discovering unknown contamination. Like, I think it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be part of the workflow of environmental protection and forensics. Ooh, and an americium-241 plasma desorption ionization, or AMD source, scavenged from smoke detectors for ambient mass spec sampling. This is, I love this. It's like I could steal this from the smoke detectors in my home and bring it to work and use it as a plasma desorption ionization source. Oh, this is so cool. This is about the resourcefulness of chemists. I love when research articles do this. Now my question is, what is the advantage of using a plasma desorption ionization source? What signals, what analytes will you get a better signal for using this ionization source rather than electrospray or APCI or APPI? Oh, this is so cool. Radioactive. Awesome.